Hello there, Dan the Weatherman here. Hey, welcome to my weather show. This is where I take a look at the weather for New Zealand for the coming week. It's an interesting week. Once again, we're talking a lot about high pressure. We get a couple of visits from the tropics. First one being this tropical low, this swirl here. This is the satellite. Yellow shows the cloud, the dull low cloud in the southwest flow further south. That comes in, and that little lump of colour there further north near Vanuatu could develop perhaps into another tropical low, maybe cyclone, by next weekend. We will see. A lot of warm air, that's the upper ridge, that's there. Why is that important? Well, that's been steering where these swirls, these areas of low pressure, these upper lows move. That's your low, New Zealand is here. Watch how it slowly moves across, but because there's a mountain of warm air blocking it, that just takes time and it starts to weaken as it comes through. So not as much rain to slide through with that, and then another low into the north and the west. But where you see the red, that's quiet, chilled out weather, so that means a lot of fine looking weather. Monday is certainly the case. Here's the high right about here, from much of the South Island right the way east. Flow around the highs like that, so eastern parts of the country have an onshore flow. So drizzly from maybe Dunedin, Christchurch. You've got patchy rain, only patchy rain, because remember the mountain is meeting that band of rain, so it just sort of weakens a bit through Monday. But at least there's some rain from Auckland towards, say, Taranaki. Look at that by Tuesday. See, it's already broken up, mottled to really much of the North Island, upper South Island. Another onshore flow gives you drizzle to east of the South Island, from Canterbury right the way down to Otago. Go to the west coast, you're fine. Inland as well. Cool here, probably seeing teens. Further north with that northerly, you'll be middle 20s, but it will be quite humid as well. This is Wednesday. That pushes away. Remember how the circle is drifting across the North Island. A new system from the Southern Ocean, this lump of colour here, all combined to make Wednesday the raincoat day for quite a few of us. Further north, further south, but probably going to be showery across some spots. That'll go away by Thursday. Cooler southwest flow. The blue line shows a snow level about 1,000 metres, just as a reference. You can see we're going cooler. That'll be some upper teens, leftover showers, spots to the far south east coast from Dunedin to Christchurch in the morning. The new high comes in, quietening the day and improving it by the end. Notice the tropics starting to bubble up with that next system that comes in by Thursday and starts to develop more so by Friday. But Friday, we've got high pressure. With a flow around the high like that, that means we start dragging the air from here, moving down to the south. So what are upper teens to 20 for highs to the far south, start creeping up by Friday, in particular Saturday. So we could see Queenstown, Dunedin getting well into the 20s over the weekend. Further north, you've still got the humid stuff. And let's just keep an eye on that thing to the north. If it does develop into a tropical low, possibly a cyclone, it may be something there. But again, remember we had all this warm air affecting these weather systems, and even the last cyclone, that was steered by the warm air as well. We will see, but next weekend is probably high pressure and pretty quiet weather. Where the rainfall goes with the first low this weekend is there. This is accumulated rainfall over the entire week. Where you see purple, that's probably 50 to 100 millimetres of rain drifting to the north and west of the country. Yellow is 20 to 40 over parts of really the upper half of the North Island. So a few spots in the South Island where you see the lighter blue, central Otago and to parts of Otago and Southland, maybe only 5-10 millimetres for the whole week. So it'll be drier here, at least the chance finally for some rain to northern parts of the country. That's how it's looking for now. See you guys again soon. Bye-bye.